Hello guys, how are you? So came here with another vlog. I have received many questions from you. What are the main mods to do with E430, and now I want to share with you the top mods which can be done to W210 E430. These mods are bolt-on, and these are the parts from E55 AMG which can be installed on E430 without any modifications. They are absolutely bolt-on, guys. And now let's start speaking about them. Now I will tell you this from my personal experience, what I have done with my car and how they work in overall. First of all, let's start from engine. M113 E55, M113 E40. The camshafts. E55 camshafts can be installed on E430 without any modifications. They are absolutely bolt-on. If you try to install the camshaft from a newer 55 modules, I mean SLK and the other stuff, you may need some springs. The newer M113 V8 engines with EVO abbreviator and marking have some different RPM range, timing range, and in this situation, if you like to change the RPM limit on your car, you may need some double springs with valves. These double springs are installed on the valves. In other way, even the newer 55 AMG camshafts will fit on your E430 with absolutely stock parts. I mean valves, springs, and rockers and other stuff, and it will give you some strong feeling. It will not add some 20 or 40 horsepower, but you will know that you are running AMG camshafts. You have some screaming noise, a stronger noise from your exhaust, and it is good. Yes, it is good. From the engine, now let's move forward and see the suspension. E55 suspension can be installed on E430 without any modifications. I mean the springs and the shock absorbers. You can go to another way and put Bilstein B8 or B6 with some H&R lowering springs. But guys, if you have chance to grab good conditioned suspension from E55 AMG, don't hesitate and do this. E55 is already equipped with Bilstein shocks versus standard W210, and E430 is not exception in this case, which is equipped with the Zax shocks, and also the springs which are installed on E55 are way heavy dutier compared to the E40 springs. So springs and shocks from E55 are very good solution to E430, especially if you like stock looking car and stock Mercedes parts on your car. Then drivetrain and suspension. Again, the sway bars. The sway bars from 55 models and even from earlier 50 E50 M119 engined models can be installed on E430 without any modification. These sway bars are the heavy dutiest Mercedes offered on these cars. As I remembered, the thickness is 30 millimeters on the front and about 20 millimeters on the rear, if I am not wrong here. Yes, H&R offers more stiffer sway bars, but I don't think that this is reasonable to pay more than $300 for one sway bar, and in total this kit will cost you about $600, and this is not a story we are looking for now. The used sway bars from E55 and E50 models are priced very reasonable. You can check online and find them from Germany, from Netherlands, from Europe. They are every time available. Just check online and if you will lucky, you can obtain them with very good price. Yes, they will be rusted, but you can remove this rust, repaint them, powder coat, and you will get what you pay for. Once again, guys, these sway bars are very easy to install on E430 AMG sway bars. Rear is absolutely bolt on. Just make sure that you buy sway bar with all mounting hardware and bolts, because E430 has different bolts, and the mounting hardware, and E55 has the different. So be sure to buy this kit whole, otherwise you will be only need for the front sway bar the bushings, which are heavy duty compared to the E430 standard bushings. Otherwise this will be completely bolt on mode for your E430. If you have any additional questions about this modification, please ask, and in my channel I have detailed video what I have bought for sway bars, the parts, mounting hardware, and other stuff, and how I installed them on my E430. Then let's move on, and another great upgrade is the brake system. Guys, E430, which are for US market and for Japan market, are restricted. I mean that they came with the brake system which is the same, absolutely the same as E320, and let's agree that V8 needs some much more stronger brakes compared to the V6 M112 model. I don't mean this about the German spec E430s, which have stronger brakes on the front, but the story is the same on the rear. So if you will lucky, you can obtain and find the brake system from E55 AMG for your E430, and the brakes are completely bolt on, guys. Nothing needs to be changed. The rotors, the calipers are completely bolt on. You only will need the caliper bolts, which is installed on the car and secures the caliper on the wheel knuckle itself. Otherwise you will need nothing, only rotor, caliper, brake sensor, and the brake pads. Rear fronts are 335 millimeters in diameter, as I remembered. These are rotors from E55, and the rear ones are 300 millimeters in diameter. We have on front 2-piston floating caliper, on the rear classical Mercedes also 2-piston fixed caliper. And this is very good mode, guys. It will cost you about $500 or $600 to obtain the whole kit from E55 AMG. Even E50 AMG brakes will fit on your E430. Does not matter the year. In this situation, you can check all the parts on EPC and ask me if you want. I will support you in this case, and the brakes are good thing to upgrade on your car. I have done this on my car, and I am very happy now, because to be honest, I hate brakes which are installed from the factory on E430 chassis, Japan and US spec cars. And at least now I want to mention the rear subframe bushings, guys. This is also very good thing to upgrade. E55 AMG are equipped with the more heavy-duty bushings compared to the E430. Let's compare 530 Newton meters to 400 Newton meters, and the difference is noticeable here. So this torque is handled with the differential, and differential is mounted on the subframe. So these bushings are more heavy duty on E55 AMG compared to the E430, but the subframe is the same. If you check the part numbers in EPC, you can see that the subframe is the same. So the bushings from AMG model will fit to the E430 without any problem. I went a little bit different in this situation and bought some strong flex polyurethane bushings. By the way, greetings to my friends to my friend from Germany who offered me to do this modification. He also has a great E55 AMG and he has done it on his car, so that's these bushings are in the shelf in my garage and are waiting for the warm days to be installed on my car. Anyway, guys, AMG bushings are more expensive compared to the non-AMG bushings. You can check them online, especially on the markets from USA. From Germany, I could not find them, but from US markets, from US Mercedes stores, they are available. If you want part numbers, I can share that with you. But let's be honest and agree that Subframe bushings are very good things to upgrade on your Mercedes E430. So let's make conclusion now and count what are the main top upgrades. Camshafts for the engine, which is bolt-on. Then suspension, springs and the shock absorbers, which is also bolt-on. Then the sway bars, which are absolutely bolt-on. Then brake system, you will be able to install them without any effort and additional costs, modification of anything, and Subframe bushings. So here are the 5 top upgrades you can do to your E430 from E55 AMG and in some situations from even E50 earlier model AMG cars. So guys, hope this video was enough informational. If you like, please thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, for supporting my channel. I will catch you in the next episodes. Goodbye.